So tonight I'm gonna meet up with our friends from Seda Hotel because I just want to know what's happening with our Seda Hotel in Ayala Center, Cebu. So check this video out so that you'll know what's in store for us with this awesome hotel brand by the Ayala Group.
Finally, Seda is in Cebu. So to tell us more about that, I would like to give the floor to our Senior Group General Manager, Mr. Andrea Mastellone.
Many people tonight. Sorry if you're a bit tight, but I guess I'm going to spread around in the other areas. So thank you very much for joining us tonight. We're delighted to officially introduce to you our new property in Rizal. It's the third actually this part of the country. We have already Bacolod and Iloilo, but Cebu is a little bit special to us, and it's a large city, international operators, so we have to do a good job here in order to continue delighting you and continue to have you patronizing our new Seda Cebu Ayala Center. I just went there today to have a look around, and we're doing a complete renovation. The hotel is completely stripped down, so it will be brand new. It will be refurbished and restyled in the typical Seda concept. So swift light colors, beautiful ambience. It's not that heavy draperies and curtains that there were before, so it's a very nice look as well. The room size and the outlet will remain the same. Whatever the facility that you had before will remain also now. What can I say? I can tell you that for sure we are determined to do the good job that we have done in other places also here in Cebu, and I'm sure that once experienced you will enjoy as well, and continue to be our guests, and we'll be really delighted about it. So if you ask me when are we going to open, it's not sure yet. From what I've seen today, I would maybe assume 4 months, 5 months, maybe let's say between August, August and October. We also don't, should not bring expectations to a level that it's not possible. I think July, maybe the end of July eventually. August, in my opinion. So nice. It's we are excited. We are excited. I don't know if you have heard about the Seda brand, or if you had experienced Seda brand somewhere else.
Yes.
In any other properties. This is our 8th, right? I'm losing the count. There's so many. And it's our 8 properties. We have in Visayas we have Iloilo and Bacolod, then we have Mindanao, Cagayan de Oro and Davao, then we have Manila, then we have Nuvali, and then we have Quezon City. And now we are opening a beautiful resort in Palawan, which I'd suggest as soon as you have the opportunity to visit it. Then we have other projects in Manila and in other cities. So the brand is keep growing, and the Seda hospitality is it's beginning to be distributed all across the country. I'm sure you will enjoy what we do, because it's a new concept of hospitality. We try to really ease the life of guests inside the hotel. It's not that difficult, that stiff. The staff are engaging. The brand spirit is very relevant, and it's an interesting concept, and we are happy to be here in Cebu. We have 2 properties in Cebu actually. This is the first, and we'll have another one. So maybe a 3rd also. So I don't tell you more, but let's talk about this for now. So thank you very much for coming. I wish you a beautiful evening, enjoy, fun, and again, thanks for your patronage, past and hopefully future. Thank you.
If you remember before, we had a lounge on the left. This will now be replaced by an e-lounge where we will be having some gadgets that can be used by our guests while they are at the property. Further down is going to be Misto. This is the brand of the restaurant across all Seda properties. It will still be situated near the garden from the previous garden cafe. But of course, this is all-day dining, buffet included, and of course, if you have favorites from the previous property, you might want to whisper. I heard in our sales calls earlier this morning, somebody was clamoring for the humba. So we will make sure there is humba on the menu. So this is going to be misto. Again, very fresh, very light, and very airy. Moving into the pre-function area. This is right before the ballroom. Again, a heightened feeling of space and openness. So here we can maximize this for perhaps some exhibits, if you may, and some pre-function arrangements. So the ballroom will still be able to seat around 350 people in banquet setting, 700 theater style. And the ballroom will be divisible, still be divisible into 3. You will have smaller meeting spaces that can accommodate up to 50 to 60 guests. So this is one of the meeting rooms. There are 4 boardrooms that can seat up to 12 maximum. And at the top floor, we will be having our club lounge. This is the exclusive area with, of course, additional benefits and amenities for our club rooms and club suites. So this will be at the top floor. And if you're looking for that place where you can cozy up and get a good night's rest, here is a preview of our deluxe twin room. Again, calming, neutral colors, and a minimalist silhouette. Because the goal is to get a good night's rest, to get you ready for the day ahead. Just as, again, Seda means silk, so that's seamless, fluid. And our king room, on the other hand, likewise the same, very clean, very streamlined, and modern design. So there, that's Seda Ayala Center Cebu in a nutshell. We look forward to having you with us as you experience only the best of genuine Filipino hospitality. We're all very excited to welcome all of you to the genuine home of Filipino hospitality here in Cebu. So watch out for Seda Ayala Center Cebu. See you all.